Lily coughed and cleared her throat. "I'll give you a quick check in the bathroom cupboard, ma'am," said Sally. "For what?" asked Lily. "Benylin, or other medicines," replied Sally. "You what?" asked Lily. "For cough," replied Sally. "All right, calm down, Inspector," replied Lily.